How long does it take to learn welding? There is no denying that knowing a trade in today's economy is a very valuable ability to have. In a society saturated with college degrees, those people who know how to do high-demand, nuts and bolts jobs can make a good living. You are interested in taking up welding, but you are afraid of the opportunity cost of taking the time to learn how to do it. How long does it take to learn welding? You can learn welding in as little as 6 months by taking classes in a welder training program. However, some experienced welders argue that even a lifetime in the trade cannot make you an expert, as no two welds are ever the same. Do not let the challenge of becoming a welder deter you. Common classes to learn welding. There is simply no way to become a good welder without getting out in the field and practicing a variety of welds. There are a number of welding classes that can make you competent in welding principles in as little as 6 months. You can find specialized courses, and you're also likely to find certificate programs at your local community college, as welding is an in-demand technical skill. Welding Basics. In this type of class, the aspiring welder will get a very cursory glance at all items related to the field of welding. If taken full-time, this class can usually be completed in about 2 weeks. Welding Symbols. After completing a Welding Basics class, the aspiring welder will need to study welding symbols. This is an important class because welders will need to know how to read blueprints and interpret welding symbols in order to successfully complete projects on the job site. Misinterpreting symbols on the job can lead to costly repairs and delays to the production schedule. Visual weld inspection. After completing the previous 2 classes, a visual weld inspection course should be completed. This is an important class for the welder because conscientious examination and location of need areas prior to welding can save rework time and expense. Knowledge of weld elements and how welds are accepted or rejected by a surface form the foundation of high-quality work. Fundamentals of welding. While the first 3 classes in a welder's education are largely theoretical, the fundamentals of the welding course will give the aspirant a blend of theoretical welding concepts and hands-on practice with real-life welds. Practice safety. Always remember to take the following safety precautions every time you practice, no matter how small the task at hand. Remember, most welders get paid by the hour, so you cannot make money if you are out of commission. In order to help you to learn more about welding, we've put together awesome information for you that we want to share with you. Are you going to weldingtroop.com, and there you can see all articles about welding.